We have 26 2-photon in the institute. For me, that's incredible.
We got the opportunity to study the very basic principles of optics.
There is also the super resolution microscopy, the light sheet, so it's really impressive.
I'm doing imaging in vivo at the cell resolution, but here I'm going to get the tools to be able to look at much finer structure.
They're very open about, if there's something specific you want to learn, take a few hours and go do that. Like, if you want to go try the light sheet later, if you want to do a little stent imaging later, that's a possibility, and it's very open-ended in terms of them being very flexible about what we want to learn.
It's really great. There is no limitation. Everyone is collaborating with everyone. So like they said, we can take some samples and go to the EM.
I can now go back to my home lab and really understand sort of just how microscopes work, and then be able to apply that knowledge to, use a 2-photon.
I think it will be easier for me to go back in the lab and use this kind of techniques.
I would definitely encourage people to apply for it, especially if you need, some imaging background, or, at both aspects, like either if you need some to start to do imaging or if you want to specialize into something else.